Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You know, the friendship between Pakistan and China is legendary. We call it the Iron Brotherhood for a reason. It's a bond that's getting stronger every single day, with more and more opportunities for travel, business, and cultural exchange. So, whether you're planning a trip to China, working with Chinese colleagues, or just want to impress your friends, learning a few basic phrases can make a huge difference. It shows respect and a genuine interest in their culture. That's why today I'm going to teach you 5 essential Chinese phrases that every Pakistani should know. They're super simple, I promise. We'll go through how to say them, what they mean, and even see them written down. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, the most important word in any language. Hello. In Chinese, you say "and how." Let's break that down, ni. How you can see the characters and the pinyin on the screen. Ni means you, and how means good. So literally, you're saying you good. It's a simple, polite greeting you can use with anyone, anytime, anywhere. For example, when you walk into a shop in Beijing or meet a new colleague, you can just smile and say "ni hao." It's the perfect icebreaker. Let's practice it together one more time. Ni, how awesome, you've got it. Next, let's learn how to show our appreciation. To say thank you, you say "谢谢." This one can be a little tricky for beginners, but it's all in the SH sound. 谢谢, the tone goes down. It's like a quick, sharp thank you. You'll be using this one a lot. For instance, if someone holds a door open for you or gives you directions, a warm "谢谢" goes a long way. It's a sign of good manners and gratitude. Imagine a waiter brings you your food. You can look at them and say "谢谢," simple and effective. Let's try it. 谢谢. Perfect. Now, what if you need to get someone's attention or politely squeeze past them in a crowded market? For that, you use 不好意思. Let's say that slowly. 不好意思. This phrase is incredibly versatile. It means "excuse me" or "pardon me." You can use it to start a question, like "but haughtily, where is the restroom?" Or if you accidentally bump into someone, you can say "but haughtily." It's a softer, more general way of apologizing for a minor inconvenience. It's very polite and very common. Let's try it together. 不好意思. Great job. Okay, but what if you make a bigger mistake and need to give a more formal apology? For that, you need the phrase "dubuk." This means "sorry, de bu si says," a more direct and sincere apology than the last phrase. You'd use it if you're late for a meeting or if you feel you've genuinely done something wrong. For example, if you accidentally spill water on someone's documents, you would say "dubuk." It shows that you are truly sorry and take responsibility. It carries more weight. Let's practice "dubuk." Excellent. Finally, let's learn how to say goodbye. In Chinese, you say 再见. 再见 means again, and "jian" means to see as so. When you say 再见, you're literally saying "see you again." Isn't that nice? It's a very common and friendly way to end a conversation. So, after a great meal with friends or at the end of a business meeting, you can smile and say zaijian. It leaves things on a positive note with the hope of meeting again in the future. Let's say it one last time, zaijian. And there you have it. 5 super useful Chinese phrases. Ni hao, xie, bu hao, bei si, du buk, and zaijian. Mastering these will definitely help you connect with Chinese people and show your respect for their culture. Practice them a few times, and you'll be a pro in no time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and 再见.